Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of leafy greens. We all got them. Those leftover spinach leaves, that half a head of kale just chilling in the fridge. Don't even get me started on the cilantro. But guess what? No more tossing those nutritional powerhouses. We're about to transform those leafy leftovers into count 'em, six crazy delicious recipes that'll have you actually craving your veggies. We're talking smoothies, stir-fries, pasta frittatas, soups, even salads that are anything but boring. Get ready to be amazed because we're about to unlock a whole new level of flavor. Before we get this leafy green party started, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell while you're at it so you never miss out on another epic culinary adventure. Let's do this. All right, first up, we're kickstarting our day the right way with a leafy green smoothie that'll make you feel like $1,000,000. We're talking energy for days. First things first, grab your blender and let's toss in 1 cup of those leftover leafy greens. Spinach, kale, even that rogue head of lettuce hiding in the back of your fridge, it all works. Next, we're gonna add in 1 banana for some sweetness and creaminess. Already tasting good, right? Hold on, we're just getting started. Now, add in a handful of frozen fruit. I'm using berries today, but mango, pineapple, whatever you're feeling, go for it. To boost the protein power, scoop in a tablespoon of your favorite nut butter. Peanut butter, almond butter, even sunflower seed butter if you're feeling fancy. Finally, the secret weapon, liquid. Add in a cup of your go-to milk, whether it's almond, soy, oat, or good old-fashioned cow's milk. Now secure that lid nice and tight, and let's blend this baby up until it's smooth and creamy. Pour it into your favorite glass, take a sip, and boom! You're ready to conquer the day. Next up, we're taking those leafy greens from smoothie superstars to stir-fry sensations. This recipe is so quick and easy, it'll blow your mind. First, crank up the heat on your stovetop to medium-high and grab a large skillet or wok. Drizzle in a tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil. I'm using sesame oil today for that extra flavor blast. While the oil heats up, chop up 1 onion and mince a couple cloves of garlic. Those aromatic powerhouses are about to make your kitchen smell incredible. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in those onions and let them sizzle for a minute or two, just until they start to soften. Now throw in that minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds, stirring constantly so it doesn't burn. Time for the main event, those leafy greens. Add in about 2 cups of chopped leafy greens, any kind you like, and stir-fry for about 3 to 5 minutes or until wilted and tender. For a final flavor explosion, drizzle on a tablespoon or 2 of soy sauce or tamari and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious leafy green stir-fry that's ready in minutes. Serve it up with some rice or noodles for a complete meal. Get ready for your mind to be blown, because we're about to transform those leafy greens into a pesto pasta that's bursting with flavor. First things first, let's get that pasta cooking according to the package directions. While that's going on, we'll whip up the star of the show, the pesto. In a food processor or blender, combine 2 cups of leafy greens, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of pine nuts or walnuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, with the motor running, slowly drizzle in about half a cup of olive oil until you've got a smooth and creamy pesto. Taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Maybe a little more cheese, a touch more garlic. You're the boss. Once the pasta is cooked to al dente perfection, drain it, reserving some of that starchy pasta water. Add the pasta back to the pot along with the pesto and a splash of that pasta water. Toss it all together until the pasta is coated in that vibrant green goodness. Serve it up with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and get ready for a flavor explosion. Chapter 4. Leafy Green Frittata. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's time to unleash your inner chef and whip up a leafy green frittata that's perfect for any meal of the day. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a cast iron skillet or oven-safe frying pan. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. While the pan is heating up, whisk together 6 eggs with a 1/4 cup of milk or cream, a pinch of salt and pepper, and any other herbs and spices you're feeling. Now pour that egg mixture into the hot skillet and let it cook for a few minutes, gently lifting the edges to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. While the eggs are setting, sprinkle over a cup of your favorite shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar today, but mozzarella, Swiss, or even goat cheese would be delicious. Next, pile on those leafy greens. Use about 2 cups, chopped or torn into bite-sized pieces. Spinach, kale, chard, even beet greens would be amazing here. Once the bottom of the frittata is set, transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the eggs are cooked through and the top is golden brown. Slice it up and enjoy! Chapter 5. Leafy Green Soup. Cozy up with a bowl. Get ready to warm your soul with a comforting and flavorful leafy green soup that's perfect for chilly evenings or whenever you need a little pick-me-up. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add in 1 chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, diced. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables begin to soften. Now, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth or chicken broth and bring the soup to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Now for the star of the show, those leafy greens. Add in about 4 cups of chopped leafy greens, any kind you like, and simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the greens are wilted and tender. Season to taste with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you like. I like to add a squeeze of lemon juice for a touch of brightness. Ladle it up into bowls and enjoy the comforting goodness. Chapter 6. Leafy Green Salad, Anything But Boring. Last but not least, we're going to elevate those leafy greens from side dish status to the star of the show with a salad that's anything but boring. First, let's create a flavor-packed base with a mix of your favorite lettuces and leafy greens. I'm using a combination of spinach, romaine lettuce, and some baby kale for a bit of texture. Now let's add some toppings that'll make the salad sing. Think crunchy veggies like cucumbers, bell peppers, shredded carrots, or cherry tomatoes. For a boost of protein, toss in some cooked chicken, chickpeas, or tofu. To really take it over the top, sprinkle on some nuts or seeds for some healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. I'm adding some toasted almonds and sunflower seeds. Finally, the piece de resistance, the dressing. You can use your favorite store-bought dressing, but I highly recommend whipping up a simple homemade vinaigrette. Just whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Drizzle that tangy goodness over your salad, toss to combine, and get ready for a flavor explosion. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible recipes that transform those leftover leafy greens into culinary masterpieces. From smoothies to stir-fries, pasta to frittatas, soups to salads, the possibilities are endless. I hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen and make the most of those nutrient-packed greens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel for more deliciousness and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.